Okay, so this is the unboxing of my new shoes. I just got the Skechers and I'm going to be unboxing for you so you could see. Well, this is what it looks like. These are the Skechers Resistance Runners. So it looks like that, the box. When you open it, you have some information about the shoes. Then you get the shoes. I chose the blue one since blue is my favorite color. This tag will be stuck to the shoe. I've removed it already. Then at the sides you will have the same information over here in different languages. You will have more information in the form of a small book, kind of. Just explaining the same thing here, basically, in the form of a book with pictures. Then you've got the foam where the shoes have been. When you remove the foam, you'll have a DVD over here that will come with it. And I've already seen the DVD. Basically, it's a video explaining how the shoes work, what they're made of, and basically what it says here. But with a video and showing that you burn more calories and it helps you use more muscles. Well, basically, that's what you get when you purchase these shoes. I've tried them on already at the store and they're extremely comfortable. I highly recommend them. I've never felt shoes more comfortable. Usually the first time I buy shoes, they hurt my feet kind of at the ankles because they'll be new. But these, the first time, they haven't hurt. I tried walking around in the store with them and, well, just as the video says, it's as though you're walking barefoot. They're extremely comfortable. I highly recommend them. Well, that's it. Hope you found this video helpful. Okay, bye.